Living with diabetes can sometimes feel like a constant battle with your blood sugar levels. But what if I told you there are delicious foods that can actually help you manage your diabetes and feel your best? Today, we're diving into the top 10 most suitable foods for diabetics and blood sugar control. These aren't just bland, boring options. We're talking about flavorful, satisfying meals that can actually make managing your diabetes easier and more enjoyable. So, are you ready to discover the secret weapons in your diabetic diet? Stick around, because this is one video you won't want to miss. 1. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, and anchovies, are incredibly beneficial for people with diabetes due to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. Here's how these fats help. Reduce insulin resistance. Although research is still ongoing, some studies suggest that omega may improve insulin sensitivity, meaning the body's cells become more responsive to insulin and can better utilize it to regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of fatty fish can help lower blood pressure, another important factor in managing heart health for diabetics. 2. Dark chocolate. It's rich in flavonoids. Dark chocolate, especially with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, contains flavonoids like epicatechin. These have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the risk of heart disease, both important for diabetics. Moderate sugar content. Compared to milk or white chocolate, dark chocolate has less sugar, making it a more suitable option for diabetics in moderation. 3. Eggs. High-quality protein. Eggs are an excellent source of complete protein, which helps with satiety and can contribute to stable blood sugar levels. Healthy fats. Eggs contain essential fats, including omega-3s and monounsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B12, and choline, all important for overall health. 4. Berries. Berries are rich in fiber, which slows down the digestion of sugar and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect against cellular damage. Most berries have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a smaller rise in blood sugar compared to other carbohydrates. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Nuts and seeds are also a good source of fiber and protein, which can help with satiety and blood sugar control. Nuts and seeds are packed with various vitamins and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, all important for overall health. 6. Avocados. They have healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fiber. Avocados are also a good source of fiber, which helps with satiety and blood sugar control. Vitamins and minerals. Avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals like potassium and folate, both important for overall health. 7. Apple cider vinegar is a potential blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Appetite control. Apple cider vinegar may help with satiety and reduce overall calorie intake, potentially beneficial for weight management in diabetes. 8. Unsweetened Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, which helps with satiety and blood sugar control. Probiotics. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial gut bacteria that may improve digestion and overall health. Calcium. Greek yogurt is a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. 9. Leafy greens, low in calories and carbs. Leafy greens are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them a good choice for diabetics. High in fiber. Leafy greens are rich in fiber, which helps with satiety and blood sugar control. Vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and K, all important for overall health. 10. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of fiber, which helps with satiety and blood sugar control. Whole grains are packed with various nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, important for overall health. Slow digesting carbs. Whole grains are digested slower than refined grains, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Remember, it's important to consume these foods in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you can take control of your blood sugar and live a healthy and fulfilling life with diabetes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content on managing diabetes and living a healthy life.